How'd your date go?
Oh, went great.
Cute?
Yeah, hot, actually. I don't know how she does it, but she dresses really well for a blind girl. I mean, like, her body is just...
Whoa.
What?
You just said she's blind. You just said it. You totally buried the lead.
So what if she can't see?
Seeing eye dogs are expensive. She may just be trying to get one for free.
Actually, she doesn't want a seeing eye dog. She hates dogs.
What?
She doesn't like dogs.
Does she not know you're a dog?
I'm just going to avoid touching her until a little more time has passed.
Hey, anything's possible, right? I mean, I once found the Bat Cave. You can't expect to hire 60 workers to dig a cave under your house and then keep it a secret.
But I told them it was part of a geological survey.
They built a Lazy Susan for your nuclear car. That's something they consider conversation worthy.